ayan, if you guys want a brighter fog lights. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So today, clients here, nagpapagawa siya ng glass coating actually kasi super kapal yung kanyang acid rain. So tinanong na rin ni client kung meron ba kayong kapalit sa aking fog lights. So sabi ko, you're asking the right person kasi ito ring fog lights natin. Papalitan natin with our very own Tiger Garage laser na fog light. So may high beam and low beam function din to. Makikita nyo, naka-on na yung kanyang stock na fog lights. So, pag tinignan nyo sa wall, ganito siya ka-dilim. So, super duper dilim talaga. So, papalitan natin yung fog lights niya ngayon. Makikita nyo agad ang difference ng kanyang fog light. So, as I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! So, konting kaalaman ng ating laser fog lights. Meron tayong high beam and low beam function. And makikita nyo dito sa ano niya, super ganda to. This is made of glass, hindi siya plastic. So, hindi siya naninilaw even after a few years. So, super bright ang kanyang ilaw. And yung kanyang ilaw, hindi nakakasilaw sa kasalubong nyo. Kasi meron siyang lane cut function. So, ikakabit natin yung one side muna para makita natin yung difference. So right, na-install na natin yung isang fog light. So yan, makikita nyo, this is the stock fog lights. Ito yung bagong nating fog lights. Pareho pa rin siya may lane cut, pero super bright ang kanyang ilaw compare naman sa original fog lights na halos parang ilaw na ng kandila. Alright, natapos na yung installation natin. So ayan, makikita nyo, maganda na yung ating fog lights. And then bubuksan ko ngayon yung fog light, tignan nyo yung difference. So for example, bubuksan natin yung kanyang headlights. Ayan, ito yung headlight niya. Bubuksan natin yung fog lights. Ayan. So, ang fog lights natin ngayon, mas malakas na siya sa headlights. And then, may high beam din tayo. So, ayan. If you guys want a brighter fog lights, mas brighter pa sa inyong headlights, ito na kayo sa Tiger Garage Laser Fog Lights. So, if you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!